All right. Today was a quick day. I took two trades. I'm still working off emotions mostly, but like it's a whole journey. So we working to fix all of that. So it's gonna get to a point where I'm really taking my time and really dissecting the markets or whatnot to really see it. But good look, it's going right back up. But okay, I took two trades. I'm up 1400 on the day or whatnot. But okay, my first trade was like before market open on MNQ. It was sales. I really wanted to see sales. I'm not gonna lie, because coming into the day, all this, all that is old. This the only one we looking at for the day or whatnot. But this from last week. But anyway, I'm trying not to distract y'all with that. But coming into the day, all right, let me turn it off actually. Okay, coming into the day, I see that we wasn't like an inverse daily gap plus a bearish gap right here or whatnot. It's the bearish gap and this the inversion. And then I just put the quads, the ace quadrant on it or whatnot. Well, not the quad, but the ace field. But yeah, seeing that we wasn't really too much moving too much above the midpoint of it. So I just dropped down time frames, really was looking for something. And I just felt I just really felt bearish. I'm not gonna lie. I'm still kind of feeling bearish. I don't know what the market want to do or what it's gonna do, but like that's how I was feeling personally. That's how I came into the market, cause I'm like, we below all of this, the daily daily gap, daily gaps and whatnot. But I'm really not too good at explaining stuff. I'm trying to. I'm gonna try to make it better. I'm trying, but coming into the market first, pre-market, I'm like, we gonna sell off because of what I just told you, like how we reacting. I'm looking at because I marked up on like NQ, but I was thinking about trading on MNQ, but I lost I didn't film none of the trades, but I lost this trade. It came down quick whip at market open. I was about to take out right here, but I'm like, nah, I'm gonna just let it hit and it shot back up. But let me turn it back on so I can see the executions. Yeah, so this is the first trade on MNQ or whatnot. It was before market open because I'm feeling pretty confident that we gonna shoot down or whatnot. I just really want to see sales. That's why I got into sales, and that's why I got in another sale right after market open. And then really I be want to try to trade and into like the macro time frames because like what is it, first time then price. So I be trying to wait on that to really see what market want to do instead of just hopping into trades or whatnot. Especially like the first 30 minutes. Oh my god! Because look at it right now. First 30 minutes are always crazy, but this one I took the trade. I took my first trade because I'm like I was feeling kind of confident that we was just gonna dump at market open. I mean, we shot down the first little wick. It might be the fake move in the right direction, but I got that from Blazing. If y'all be watching Blazing with his freedom model or whatnot. But yeah, what I was looking at was all of this right here. And then I got in pre-market prematurely because I was feeling like it was gonna sell off or whatnot. So I was just waiting. I didn't too much have no drawdown after I got into the trade. And then when market opened, I thought we was just gonna shoot for my TP. My TP was like at $600 or whatnot, and then I was just gonna get off. And it came back up. This was 70 or whatnot, $180 stop loss. So I'm like, I'm feeling pretty confident. My emotions wasn't too all over the place or whatnot, but like I still hopped in prematurely. That's something I'm trying to work on too, like just hopping off impulses or what I feel like the market is gonna do instead of what it's doing for real or what I'm looking at. You feel me on the charts or whatnot. But and then market open, it shoots up, and then I see that we're above 8:30, and then midnight open is right there, whatnot. So that and that's another reason I still feel like we gonna fall down because midnight open right here. I'm not saying we're gonna touch midnight open, but I be what they say like 70%. I ain't gonna say seven, like 70% of the time. Correct me if I'm wrong, but like 70% of the time, market returns to midnight open. So that's why I really be feeling like that's why I feel like another confluence on why I feel like we're gonna sell off. I don't know how far, but I feel like we'll get somewhat to the sell side or whatnot. But and then after I seen market open, it shoots up. And I seen that we stopped like just above this high right here, just above this one. And I'm like, okay, I'm just watching. And then the week open a gap right here. It's not really a gap, but it's the where market closed at and then where it opened at. I just mapped that out, and that was in the week open the gap. I seen how we didn't close outside of it or whatnot, and we just rejected. And this candle kind of shot down kind of fast, so I'm like, okay, bet. So I got in. What was it? This candle? I think it was. It's probably this candle. Came up a little bit, and then my TP was at like 1600 because I was down 180 already, and that's all I needed because on the combines or whatnot, the combines um it's 50% consistency rule, so I could make no more over there anyway. So and then look what it's doing now. It would have if I would have put it down here somewhere try to get more, it would came back up and stopped me out. But anyway, I put it at 1600 because I wanted to at least get like 1500 on the head or whatnot. Close enough, $5. But I'm talking about $5, 50. But anyway, yeah. But okay, yeah, yeah, that was just it. That was the whole trade. This trade, I got in like same candle. I mean, was it this? I don't even know. I believe it was the same. Yeah, it was the same candle. Same candle got in on this candle, and then it took me out quick. So it was a quick trade because I just really wanted to see, and that's probably like I wasn't feeling nervous um trying to catch the move or whatnot, but I just really want to see sales. And then once I saw this, I'm like, it's gonna sell off right now, so I just got in. I mean, I guess it was kind of like a fear of missing out, but I wasn't feeling that emotion I feel when it's like when I know when I got that feeling of like the fear of missing out or whatnot. But yeah, it was a quick little trade. I was just trying to walk out through the reason of why I took this trade, but I don't know. I don't know. You feel me? I don't make the markets. I don't know how they move. I'm just here for the opportunities the market gives me, and then you feel me? There's plenty of opportunities. People might not trade like me. People might not see the same things I see, but I just want to put my input on how I see the markets or whatnot. So, all right, let me show y'all this too. The curve is insane, but the curves is insane. But we working on it. We working on it. 5 trades. When I do 5 trades, I feel like I really be over trading. I be really want to stick it to at least 3 trades a day. Like it probably one good trade and get out the markets or two and get off. But and that's why I really got this the daily loss limit set too. So I won't really too much be over trading. Cause like I only got 2,000 in drawdown. So I just but the market is going up right now and going up and up. So you feel me? I probably was wrong, but guess what? I still caught the opportunity the market presented to me in my eyes or whatnot. So I don't know. You're not gonna be right 100% of the time, but you can capitalize on being wrong too. You know what I'm saying? But I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow. We'll be back on the markets tomorrow. All right.